Hello guys, hello. This is the first stream that we're doing on YouTube. Let's go ahead and check quickly how it's streaming. Live stream, money squared, live stream, money squared. Huh? Yay. Edit. Money squared London live and maybe we make the M2 like this. What's the date today? 07/12. Save. How we go here? Huh? Let's go to my channel. Let's go to this YouTube. Yay! Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, first stream. Let's see how we do. First of all, let's go ahead and make the daily forecast video. So I'm gonna hit start recording now, and hopefully, yeah, we're gonna record. Okay. So, as you guys see on yesterday's daily roundup, we made two trades that are basically, this one was based on the 4 hour, expecting this to come down to fill this week, just these testing trades. We didn't do anything much, but then from here we went on profit of 13 pips, and then we just straight back up. So this is a clear result why you should never take a trade in the range. Let's go ahead quickly also on GJ. On GJ, as soon as we break the low, we just came back, closed above here, and then next candle shoot up inside the range. So again, you don't take candles where you don't take trades where candles on the left are rejecting. And now let's start our normal. So we go ahead and we remove all the drawings. Monthly broke previous monthly high, hasn't come down to create a more lower wick to come up. Let's go ahead and check the dollar. Dollar is now at a support in a monthly time frame. We check dollar because dollar is somehow correlated to gold. If the other one moves up, the other one moves down. So yeah, we're rejecting this level, this demand zone area, previous resistance. We're at support now, acting as support. We're breaking highs on the daily, making lower low, lower highs every day. We're closing above this. We should be good to go if we close above this resistance, resistance, previous support right over here, and then start to move up. Anyways, that doesn't give us any clear movement on gold. So gold hasn't created a decent lower wick to keep going down, so this can act now as a fake out, and then we can start flipping down. Just that keep in mind, on weekly we have this resistance right over here which we tapped and we reject it. We break previous week highs and then we start to retrace. On the daily we have this major support here, and we are starting to create this support here, but As I mentioned on the daily roundup yesterday when we saw this daily closure, if we come up and break the daily low, so now we come up. I said yesterday that we need to come up, create a decent top wick. So we get the top wick confirmation, and now we did that. It's about 40 pips. So if we come, we break current daily lows, previous daily lows, and this day low, we should be good to go down at least till this level or at the next demand area, which is here or here. So for the daily, or we can confirm if we respect this support, because currently we're respecting. We made the lower wick a bit and then we didn't break the lows yet. So if we come up, we can fill this whole wick and then possibly move a bit higher. On a 4 hour, we're confirming a bit of resistance here. On the most recent resistance, we have this demand zone here. Demand, or in this case, when the price moves down, these zones are called supply, where the market is supplied with enough orders to keep going down and it doesn't have enough momentum to continue to the upside. So we are in the middle of the range. This range is 90 pips. It's a big range, but I'm not sure we're gonna take any trade today on this range, because as you can see yesterday, it was not a good idea. Let's go ahead on 3 hour, 2 hour. I just like to check this for possible setups. 2 hours is just in a smaller, even smaller range. Now as we move to the lower zone time frames, we adjust our zones. And as we can see here, now we have an inside range within the range, which if we break to the upside, we have more clean traffic here, this clean traffic, and then we have this rejection. This is like, as you get rejection, so it's not very ideal to go in sells. However, we can see that price is failing to break to the upside. We tried also on the upside. For sells, I would wait for confirmation to break below this level here and then move to the downside. For buys, if I have clear confirmation above here, I may take some buys, because this is like 50 pip range is not that bad range to take a trade to get like 20 pips out of it. But for sells, only below here. So we go and we write here sells only below here. Closure and 30-minute time frame minimum, and we have some buys, half risk buys above here for 20 to 30 pip TP. Because we need to act quite aggressively here to catch these 20-30 pips, because the whole range is 50 pips, whereas here the range is much bigger, till here at least. How much is till here? It's 40 pips till here. This level is 80 pips, 90 pips, and then 150 pips overall. Clean traffic, okay. So for gold, we can make this also some visual representation what I will expect. Let me go ahead and something like this I would like on gold. Let's make this candle like this, and then let's get one more candle like this. Why? Because I would like some support to form. This would be ideal, and then the next candle just break the support. This is too big. And yeah, we have something like this. We have something like this, and then something like this. For buys, we have something like this, and then something like this. Let's go ahead and save this. Just change the date. So yeah guys, this is what I would like to expect. Here to break above and the next candle to shoot up, here to break below, possibly form a support candle, and then as soon as we break the support candle we just keep going down. I think we have also the setup screenshots. Let me go ahead and add those also. For buys, I would like something like this to happen here, and for sells, I would love something like this to happen. Yes. Now it's better maybe to go ahead and save this picture, since we have also more confirmation. We go ahead and we delete, and then we move to GJ. We remove the drawings, we make fresh analysis every day. This is what I suggest you to do. So on GJ, previous month closed bearish, failing to break the previous monthly high, closing bearish, failing also to break the previous monthly low. This candle is indecision at the moment. We create a lower wick, but we then break the previous low monthly lows, so we are in the range. We have this support right over here, and we have this resistance on weekly right over here. And for the sake of analysis, let's just add these also to support right over here. Let's go ahead on daily time frame, and then we check again. As you can see, we can start now adjusting. So on the daily time frame, we check when we're on daily. We made a new high, we came back, break these lows with this new low, we made a new lower high, we create a new lower low, and next lower high, and now we're failing to break these levels. So as long as we don't break this lower high or this lower low, we are in a downtrend, in a bearish trend in the weekly. On the daily time frame, we are also on a bearish momentum on daily time frame. I mean, this we break high, but then we close bearish, we break the lows on this day. So this day actually moved quite a lot. How much is like 120 pips, 125 pips. On the 4 hour, we are right at the resistance, which is here, for example, till here. We need to break above here. Break above here with 4 buys, with close in 30 minutes. So we need buys here to break, and we need that on 30-minute time frame, because as you can see, you go here and you break, you enter a buy, price moves down, you enter a buy, price moves down, you enter a buy, price moves down. So we need to be very careful on these buys. For sells, we have this support right over here. If we break this support, or if we reject this resistance here, and then we come inside the range, and then we have this clean traffic, we can enter sells from here with stop loss above resistance. But we have a support here. I think we should move on the 1 hour time frame to see, because all these here, this is a rejection, this is a rejection, this is a rejection. So all these are supports on 1 hour time frame. I believe 1 hour is, sorry for language, but some people will call it dog shit. And just like that, we have support, 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 so rejection, 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 rejection now, rejection here. So it's never a clean traffic, so I would not take any trades on GBP, JPY within this range here. So yeah. Oh, don't tell me that my mic is off. No way. Is it my mic off? I think so. Uh-oh. No, it's not my mic off, I think. No, it's not. Perfect, 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 perfect. I thought the whole analysis was also off. So in 1 hour we have a lot of rejection. I would not, hopefully we get buys above here, because that's the best thing that can happen. We have clean traffic here, we can mirror that clean traffic here, and for sells, it's gonna be very, very difficult days for sells. I hope we have enough momentum to break above here and then move above here. So let's go ahead and make a candle visualization of what we want and what we expect from all this. We want something like this to happen, hopefully. And then we have this, we have the same, basically the same trading plan as on gold for buys, where price is at resistance, price break resistance with strong bullish candle, entry after confirmation, stop loss below the low here, and then TP 1 to 1 for break even trades. And however, we have this another trading plan which is not very much back tested, to be honest. So we have this also. For here, for example, when price makes a high, comes back here, creates a new high, and then rejects it. So price at resistance. Oh, I think we have one more example when price is at resistance. Let me check, where is it, where is it? It's right over here. Yeah, this is the best. Price is at resistance, we come up, we reject, we break these lows again, and then we keep going down. So we can also have something like this, if then we make a rejection. Now in 5 minutes we have hourly closure, and then we can also have this, something like this. Maybe we move this a bit like this, so we have more clear what we want. Or like this. So this is for sells, and this is for buys. Let's go ahead, add our other trading plan that we had before. So we take the picture for the daily analysis update on Discord, guys. We have a Discord channel where we update every day for our. Let's make it like this. Price at resistance, strong bearish candle closure, entry at the left when we break the low of the candles. Save chart image. GBP JPY daily forecast 7 December, and yeah, that's what we have. Let's update quickly on Discord these two pictures that we have for gold and GJ. Oh, maybe we should update Twitter also. Okay. Imagine, guys, I'm doing this and I have one viewer. Who is that one viewer? Is me. I'm watching myself. How cool is this? This is what we should do. This is what I suggest you all do to keep yourself on track and to keep everyone else on track. Possible trade setups now. Daily forecasts. And then we can go ahead and upload a video. Do you wanna guys do this together? Let's do it together. First, okay. Select files. Oh no, I forgot to close. I forgot to stop recording. Anyways, nothing bad happened, so it's cool. It's cool. Daily forecast. Go ahead and we add the thumbnail for the forecast. This is on daily update. It's not made for kids. Let's add an end screen. Most recent upload. Next. It's public. Let everyone see it, and that's it. That's how we make the upload for the daily forecast on 7 December on Gold and GJ. You need to change video resolution. Is not supported for this configuration. What is this? What do you mean this configuration? Here it says amazing. Is the stream okay? Yeah. Stream health. latency. Where is my latency settings? Low latency. And then we set here that on ultra low. Ultra, but I have normal. Huh? Low. Okay, so next time we do it. Next time, what we do is we make normal latency. Do we still have the error? Anyways, we go ahead and we clear all these stuff again. We put one alert here, maybe a bit down, a bit down, a bit down. When we break these highs because we need this, let's go ahead. The 4-hour closes in 1 hour, so this, if this 1 hour comes up, break these highs and close above here, it would be perfect. Next 1 hour just to reject a bit, next 4 hour retrace a bit and then start flipping and then moving up. Or this 4 hour close, that would be the perfect case for buys. If this 4 hour closed at resistance, not failing to break, and then the other time frames close also here and next 1 hour, but then this 2 hour was perfect. You see our candle formation here, not breaking previous low, just from here, sells stop loss from here till here, 27 pips for 28, 45 pips. Okay, this was perfect. 7 a.m. okay, and then as I was saying, failing to break resistance, 1 hour closes bearish, we need this 1 hour bearish, next 1 hour just create a top wick and then start flipping bearish. We might look for sells till this support to move break even and then to keep it till this. Let's go ahead and oh, gold closed above. Oh, gold closed above. Hello gold, how are you? Everything good? It's nice to see you closing above, my friend. Let's go ahead and delete all these drawings. So 4 hour close in 1 hour. There was this, if we close above here would be perfect. Every time frame is bullish at the moment. We're having a deep retrace. If we come up break this highs, I think we should be good to go up. Let's go ahead and check. 14 maybe 11 pips. Previous 1 hour is 40 pips, that's too much. Same as this resistance right over here, which we closed also above here. Let's adjust this. Gold is our focus for the day, so let's go. Let's go gold. Video is still uploading. This is usually who I check for this market analysis macro. It's like free content, it's perfect. This guy has these amazing analysis. So let's go ahead. YouTube streams music, no copyrights. check some other. Oh, we don't have the music for the chat. For the chat. What about now, guys? Guys, I'm here alone. What about now, guys? Guys, I'm here alone. Now you have guys, I'm here alone. Cold retracing. Come on, cold. We got closure in 15 minutes, 13 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Perfect retracement. testing the highs. Could not be a bad idea. Let me show you what I think. We come back, we create a new high created, support is formed, entry is taken as price broke the high of the support candle. New high is created, support is formed, previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance, previous support, previous resistance, previous support. And then as soon as we break these highs with stop loss above here, we should be good to go up. Do you want to take this? I will not take this. 10 pip for 16 pip. Yeah, not me. 15-minute closed, bearish, inside the range. Nope, thank you. breaking this lows. This is our candle, but this is 15-minute time frame. Trend is bullish. We're taking counter trend trades. This is just for sake of adding an opinion here because nothing is really happening. Gold inside the range, fake out. Always wait for the confirmation candle high to be broken. Always. That's a rule. We broke 30-minute lows. If we break this support, we will come to the support, and then the support which is like 10-20 pips between each other. Yes, 16 pips, 15 pips. So yeah, it's nothing significant for us to take a trade. Yeah. For how long we have been streaming, guys? Can we check this? One hour. Oh wow. Interesting. Amazing. First stream 1 hour. Perfect. How's good is that? Now we're breaking these 30-minute lows. We should be good to go down. We will just testing this setup. Let's add here. We are in a trade, yay! Let's see. Stops to break even, stops. Yeah, let's go ahead and check Forex Factory. Today we have CAD news, nothing else. Should be good for GJ and gold. We're gonna wait this 4-hour closure. It's not looking good. GJ shoot down, perfect. We were already anticipating this trade. Amazing, amazing, amazing. If we come up and close this below this level, we have potential to go down. I believe 3 hours bearish, 2 hours should be bearish, 4 hours should be, if we close in 4 hour also bearish, then yeah, if we break the support here we can continuing down. This support here, it is so, I will not take salts anyway. No chance. We are about to get the 4-hour closure. And let's see. We delete this. We had our 4-hour closure. Gold didn't help us at all. Just breaking above, making us excited, coming back down in the range. 4-hour will not help us at all if it closed like this. Break previous 4-hour highs and lows. It's just like in the middle of the range. You never know when it's gonna go up the next one. GJ, however, GJ looks good to keep going up. We just need some sort of support to be found, or some sort of resistance to be created, and then break that resistance. Yeah. When you think of it, no matter what kind of 4-hour closure we need, still we need 1 hour or 30 minutes support to be confirmed. Something like this. Sorry. And then shoot up. Or breaking above here, which is our initial plan here. Breaking above here. And then next candle we should just keep going up. Like here, for example. Break above here. And then next candle just shoot up. So in terms of live streaming, I'm gonna close as soon as we get this 4-hour closure, because it doesn't make sense to stay on the live stream for 3-4 more hours. We will have our New York session. I'm not sure if I'm gonna live stream in New York, but I will see. And yeah, so today London was not so good for us. We took a test trade for GJ, a sell here, very good sell. $17 pips with 30 pips maximum move. 1 to 2 almost, so it's amazing, not that bad. We didn't take any loss. That's brilliant, not brilliant, but that's like more than great, because taking a loss, let alone that you lose some money, but also your psychology can be affected. Most of the time it's not, but if it's that time that is affected, then it's not a good day at all. So our day has not been finished yet. We will check on London and we will see what will happen on London session. Let's wait 2.5 more minutes for the London 4-hour closure, and then we will close this session, which is almost 1.5 hour as a first setup. That's the first live stream. That's amazing. 1.5 hour live stream is perfect. our 4-hour closure, bullish closure, good for GJ. If we break above here, we should get a closure above, and then we will take buys, I believe. Let's go and check on gold. Gold just weak bearish candle, nothing to work with. Previous 1 hour didn't break the lows, 30-minute weak. Maybe we find some support here, hopefully. This can just come up, create a top wick, and then fill this whole wick again. It's nothing to work with, to be honest. It's very tricky. We create a new low on 5-minute also, breaking this previous low, so yeah, it's like nothing to trade at the moment. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, support the streams so we can keep this going every day. I mean, I will keep it going no matter what support I get, but with help from your support also. Thank you. Let me say here, thank you for watching, all of you. No problem. Thank you too. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.